Guys, Hostinger is a web hosting company that provides affordable hosting services to website owners. The popularity of its services, Hostinger, is due to its budget-friendly plans and user-friendly interface. It is also suitable for beginners who want to launch their first website. Guys, if you also want to buy the service of Hostinger, even in low budget, then believe me, guys, this video is going to be very special for you because in this video, I will tell you such a highly discountable coupon code of Hostinger, which will give you a huge discount, which will save you a lot of money. And believe me, guys, this coupon code is highly discountable. Coupon code. There is no any other coupon code available in the market for Hostinger, which can provide you higher discount than this coupon code. So guys, if you want to get this coupon code, then you have to strictly follow all the steps that I am going to tell you in this video. So guys, first and very important step is you have to simply click the link which I have given in the description of the video and come to Hostinger discount page. Guys, the link which I have put into my description box, that link is discount link. And if you won't come from that link, then the coupon code, which I am going to show you, that will not work. And if come from that link, then that coupon code will work, and you will also get 5 to 10% extra discount. So without wasting much time, let's start out today's videos. So guys, first of all, you have to click on the discount link given in the description of this video and come to this page. Guys, now you have to click here and come to the next page. Guys, I am going to tell you the coupon code in this video. It will work on all the plans. You can buy whatever plan you like as per your need. For now, I am applying the coupon code on the cloud startup plans. And let's see how much discount we get. And guys, after that, you have to provide some details, but I am not going to show you that part. Basically, I am going to show you how you can apply that coupon code to save your money, okay? So now, as you can see, you have to pay 39,591 rupees, but we will reduce this amount by applying that high discount coupon code. So to apply that high discount coupon code, you have to simply click over here, have a coupon code, and here you have to enter HA10, and every letter should be in capital. Guys, before applying the coupon code, let me tell you again that this coupon code will work only if you come to this page from the discount link which is given in the description box. Guys, after that you have to simply click over here, apply. And guys, now the price will reduce. Now, as you can see, the price become 35,632 rupees. Guys, this is the highest discount providing coupon code for Hostinger, and there is no any other coupon code you can even try on by searching on different sources. But you will find this coupon code. It will provide to higher discount.